Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the start of the weekday in the calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, but first let me show you how it looks in the calendar. So as you can see now, the week starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. So these are the basic settings that are going to come up from the factory. If you want to change it, you want to open settings, then swipe down and tap on calendar, then swipe down again and then click on start week on. And here, as you can see, we have mirrored system settings because now in my system setting the start is on Monday, but here you can choose the start of the day, the start of the week, the day of start of the week in the calendar app only, as you can see. So now let's say I want to have start of the week on Sunday, and now if I'm going to open calendar, the start of the week is going to be on Sunday. So now let's say I want to set it to Thursday. So now the start of the week is going to be on Thursday, as you can see. So here in the setting, just by clicking on the specific day, you can choose from which day you would like to start week. So I'm going to use the system setting, the mirror, on the Monday because this works the best for me. But here, these are the settings how you can change the start the week on the specific date. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.